What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove text from video in Clipchamp. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Clipchamp. So if you are new to Clipchamp, just simply click on the sign in option and then sign in with your email. But if you are already logged in or you are a previous user of this software, you will be directly redirected to the homepage of Clipchamp. Now here, if you want to remove a text, you first have to create a video. So simply click on create a new video. Now, after clicking, you want to import a video. So just click on import media. Now that you see I have added a video here. So I'll just simply drag and drop this video here. So it will be added. So as you can see, I have drag and dropped my video here. Now on your left side, click on text. Now Clipchamp offers inbuilt text options. For example, I am just dragging and dropping this text, and if your video already has text, it will be shown here in this bar. So if you want to just add or if you want to just remove the text line, just simply click on delete this and it will delete the gap. And when you want to just delete the whole text, just click it once and it will select it and then press delete key on your computer. So it will delete the text bar and delete the text from your video. So this is how you can remove text from video on Clipchamp. That was all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.